In the world of cookware, versatility and durability often top the list of what home chefs and professionals alike seek. This T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok delivers on these fronts with its innovative design and top-notch features. Whether you're stir-frying veggies, braising meats, or deep-frying seafood, this 14-inch wok is crafted to make every cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. With a hard-anodized aluminum build and advanced non-stick coating, this wok ensures effortless cooking and even easier cleanup, making it a must-have in any kitchen arsenal. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into a detailed review of the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok to uncover everything you need to know before making your purchase. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Design and build quality. The T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok boasts a rugged, hard-anodized aluminum exterior, making it resistant to warping, corrosion, and scratches. The 14-inch size is perfect for preparing family-sized meals, while the deep, wide design allows for versatile cooking methods like stir-frying, steaming, braising, and sautéing. The titanium-reinforced nonstick coating ensures that food effortlessly slides off the surface, eliminating the frustration of stuck-on food and making cleanup a breeze. This wok's premium construction isn't just about durability, it also ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring your meals cook to perfection. Performance and features. Number 1. Non-stick coating for effortless cooking. The wok's titanium-reinforced non-stick interior is a game-changer. It allows for healthier cooking with less oil and ensures that even sticky sauces or delicate dishes release with ease. Cleanup is quick, whether you're hand-washing or using the dishwasher. Number 2. Thermo-Spot technology. One standout feature is T-Fal's exclusive Thermo-Spot heat indicator. This ingenious technology lets you know when the wok is perfectly preheated by turning solid red. Proper preheating is crucial for achieving optimal cooking results, and this feature takes the guesswork out of the equation. Number 3. Comfortable and safe design. The riveted silicone handles are ergonomically designed to provide a secure grip even when the wok is full. The vented tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking while retaining heat and moisture for tender, flavorful dishes. Number 4. Oven and dishwasher safe. Versatility extends beyond stovetop cooking, as this wok can handle oven temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also dishwasher safe, ensuring convenience and ease of maintenance. Number 5. Multi-purpose use. This wok isn't limited to stir-fries. You can deep fry, steam, sauté, and even slow cook with it, making it a highly versatile addition to your cookware collection. Cooking experience. Using the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok feels like an upgrade to your culinary skills. The even heat distribution eliminates concerns of unevenly cooked meals, while the large capacity ensures you can cook enough for the whole family. Its nonstick surface reduces the need for excessive oil, promoting healthier eating habits. The wok's compatibility with various stovetops, excluding induction and oven safety, further enhance its usability. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, this wok adapts to your needs effortlessly. Pros and cons. Pros. Durable hard-anodized aluminum construction. Titanium-reinforced non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleaning. Thermo-Spot technology for precise preheating. Versatile design suitable for multiple cooking methods. Dishwasher and oven safe. Cons. Not compatible with induction cooktops. Larger size may be challenging for small storage spaces. Who is it for? The T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok is ideal for home cooks seeking a reliable and versatile cookware option, families who prepare large meals frequently, individuals looking for healthier cooking options with minimal oil usage. Conclusion. This T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Wok stands out as a top-tier option for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Its robust construction, advanced features, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. From its superior nonstick performance to its thoughtful design, this wok is built to simplify your cooking while delivering exceptional results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this wok has the versatility and reliability to become your go-to kitchen companion. Don't miss the opportunity to bring home a cookware piece that combines quality, functionality, and style. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.